All right. Oh, they going. Oh! YouTube, what up, y'all? Man, y'all, we back with another one. Check it out, y'all, man. It's snowing crazy out here, man. And y'all see, I got the squad behind me. And man, listen, we about to go sledding, y'all. Where we at? Who going first? Man, it's snowing out here, y'all. Weather crazy out here. Oh, we got Malia coming down. Woo! Yes, sir. Who next? We got Kasia coming down. Let's go, Kasia. Who gonna be the first to fall? Who gonna be the first to fall? Woo! All right, we got Markeisha out here. Let's go, Kasia. Let's go.
We need to make it like packed.
Got my man RJ.
Haley's gonna fall off.
JL.
Probably.
Malia, you already know. Let's go, Kasia.
I'm trying to get it packed down. Haley, I feel like you're gonna fall.
Uh-oh, who gonna be the first to fall? Don't be the first to fall. The first to fall, they go out.
It's very hard to stand up with
Haley, Oh, Haley good, is she good? She good, is she gone?
No, Bugsy.
Oh, almost.
The last one to fall, get a dollar.
Did she make it?
Yeah.
She made it, okay.
She fell when she was trying to get out.
Who next? We trying to see the last one standing, y'all. Last one standing. We going on our stuff? Uh-oh. JL,
She wasn't ready.
JL almost went down. JL almost went down, y'all.
Yeah, hurry up.
Have a bad RJ. JL, JL went down. JL went down. We got Malia go. She gone.
Right here.
Oh, all right. Who we got next? RJ. We got my man RJ. All right, RJ. Don't fall, RJ.
I'm not gonna fall. Why can't I come back? She okay?
Which way she go? Oh.
Probably tried.
Okay, RJ. We got my man RJ. RJ handling this thing like a pro.
Let me see, RJ.
Oh, we got my man TJ over there. Let's go, TJ. We got my man TJ. Yes, sir. All right, let's go, Markeisha. We got to go. Let's go. All right, let's go. Oh, look at JL. She going. Don't go in the pond. Man, we got the pond over there. You can't see it, man. The pond froze over there in the snow. Oh, we got Kasia. Oh, we was about to have an accident. Kasia almost fell. All right, we got Kasia coming back. Let's go, Kasia. Let's get it. Don't fall, Kasia. Let's get it, Kasia. Let's get it. Uh-oh. All right. Oh, they going. Oh! Woo! TJ gone. Oh!
I'm dodging the snow. Let me see,
You dodging the snow? RJ said he dodging the snow. I don't know, RJ. I think it got you. Whoa, 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 RJ. Woo! RJ dodging the snow. We on Haley. I don't know, Haley handling that thing. She handled it. Okay, let's go, Haley. Let's go, Haley. Let's go, Haley. Woo! Whoa, look, Kasia coming, she's coming, she's coming, oh!
Yeah. Oh, that's no. Look at me. It's in my shoes.
Kasia got on the new Uggs and she messed them up.
Nope.
You ain't mine.
All right, JL, let's see if JL gonna get it. JL, she coming, oh!
Jesus Christ.
Kasia, is that hard? Standing up on it. I wish I had the GoPro so I can do it. Oh, she handling like a pro. We got my man TJ coming down. All right, y'all, man, listen. I'm about to go in, man. I can't do it. I'm out of here, man.
Finally!
I'm gonna let them have their fun. They can continue to have their fun, but your boy gotta go in, man. All right, y'all, man, I'm out.